Hey guys, in Dubai, I will be there in another week or so. May 23rd, Thursday morning, 10:30 a.m. I am going to be teaching a seminar on hormone health and the connection with the gut microbiome as well as your liver. Many women today, which also included myself, we think the answer is in pharmaceutical, and I have gone down the same road. My life has been about doctors and drugs, and all of it ultimately made me worse. And I have had to really try to heal myself with food, and this is why I'm doing it for women, to also empower you to know that we aren't just going to need prescription medication. There is so much we can do for ourselves when it regards to our hormones. So all these symptoms we get, whether it's in premenopause, menopause, PMS, PMDD, endometriosis, and so on, these are symptoms of an imbalance within the gut microbiome. And that may be the last thing that you have even thought about, but we are only the health of what we eat and our gut microbes. And this is what I'm going to be teaching you in Dubai on May 23rd. So if you're interested, there is a link to book your space. I will put it below for those of you who are listening to this on Facebook, and for Instagram I will also, if you need to DM me, send me a DM and I will give you the link to book your space, because I'm only in Dubai a short time, and then I'm back to the UK to do more seminars here in the UK when I get back. So very informative, a lot to learn, a lot to take in. And if you've never read any of my books, I would also suggest reaching out and reading Beauty and the Gut, because we need to learn how to heal your gut bacteria, because many of us have gut dysbiosis, leaky gut, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and we have IBS, and of course irritable bowel diseases such as Crohn's disease and colitis, etc., all of which contribute to hormone imbalances. And often you don't think, oh, I don't have any problems with my gut, there's no symptoms of bloating or anything like that. But if you have a hormone problem, you have a gut problem, because your hormones are created through the gut microbiome, and if there is any kind of bad bacteria in there, which there will be, then you will have an imbalance with your hormones. So you have to look within first. This isn't just about, hey doc, what kind of pills do I need? No, if you really want to heal yourself, you have to start looking within and asking yourself, what kind of foods am I feeding my body with? Because many people are living on dairy, sugar and refined foods, processed meals. These are the culprits, which are also raising your insulin levels, which are causing hormone problems. And then, of course, you're feeding estrogen dominance, which is causing thyroid problems as well. So it's all connected with what you put into your mouth. As always, we want the easier version. So, hey doc, I'm just going to take this pill for my thyroid, the thyroxine medication, or the contraceptive pill because I have PMS and endometriosis and premenopause and menopause. Let's take HRT, and it's not working. And this is why we have to change what we put into our mouth. And that is, for many people, really, really hard, which is why I created Health Empowerment, my recipe book, so that you had options and know, okay, this is the kind of food that I need to be eating, which is about having a diversity of food through the gut microbiome so that you can feed your good bugs, because you don't want those bad bugs. And your bad bugs feed on refined sugars and vegetable oils and processed food, and also the lack of fiber, which is in many people's diets as well today, because they're just not eating fiber. So you are creating leaky gut because of that reason. So come join us, and if you need that link, send me a DM and I will give it to you. And if you want a one-on-one, you can also look on my website for those details.